Dear students, in the previous video, I explained how they framed the formula by cross multiplication method. Now we'll try to learn how to apply that method. Okay, see this type of sums. Px plus qy is equal to p minus q. Qx minus py is equal to p plus q. They gave two linear equations. In these type of linear equations, see the coefficients all are some alphabets. See p, q, p minus q. A1 is p, b1 is q, c1 is p minus q. Then a2, b2, c2. See in this sum, a1, b1, c1. What is this? a2, b2, c2. All the coefficients are some alphabets. When the coefficients are some alphabets, please select cross multiplication method and proceed it further so that you'll get the answer in an easy way. Now we will learn how to apply cross multiplication method for one sum. Okay, see the question. Px plus qy is equal to p minus q. Qx minus py is equal to p plus q. The first step in cross multiplication method is bring the c1 to this side and c2 to this side. That's the first part. Okay, px plus qy minus of p minus q. Arrange this in a1x plus b1y plus c1 form is equal to 0. Now bring this c2 to this side. Qx minus py minus of p plus q is equal to 0. If you want to use cross multiplication method, the first step is bring c1 to this side and then c2 to this side and frame a proper linear equation. Now, if you want, you can write the values. Our a1 value is p. What is our a2 value? Q. a1 and a2 values are p and q. Now, what is our b1 value? Q. What is our b2 value? Minus p. Got the idea? Now, what is our c1 value? Minus of p minus q. What is our c2 value? Minus of p plus q. Please write all these values and then continue the sum. Now we will write the formula. What's the formula? X by, in the previous video I said, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. Suppose if you want to memorize the formula, you can write like this: a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Again a1, a2. How will you remember? X by cross multiply. b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. I wrote here b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 is equal to y, is equal to y divided by. Now cross multiply these two values. c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1. Write the formula: c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 is equal to 1 divided by first two pairs, a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. How will you cross multiply? a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Now I'll try to apply this formula. Now I'm going to find value for this part. Okay, x divided by b1 into c2. Okay, what is my b1 value? b1 value is q. What is my c2 value? Minus of p plus q. I should multiply these two values minus of these two values, isn't it? b1 into c2, this into this, then minus of this into this. Okay, now we'll apply this formula. Okay, x divided by b1 into c2, b1 into c2, this into this, minus is there, I'll take minus outside, minus q into p plus q. I'll write here minus q into p plus q minus of, write the formula, minus, I wrote minus here. Now multiply b2 into c1. See here, b2 c1. Minus of minus is plus. Okay, inge or minus, inge or minus. Minus into minus plus. p into p plus q. p into p plus q. Close it inside a bracket. This is formula minus. b2 into c1. We are multiplying b2 into c1. Now remove the bracket and try to fill this place. P into Q minus PQ minus Q into Q minus Q square. P into P, here it is P square. P into Q is PQ. Now remove the bracket. P into P, P square. P into Q, PQ. Remove the bracket. Minus P square. Minus of minuses plus PQ. Plus PQ minus PQ get cancelled. I can take minus outside and this can be returned as P square plus Q square. This is the answer for first part. Now we will continue second part is equal to. In these type of sums, please do it very slowly to avoid careless mistakes. Okay. Now C1 into A2. Where is our C1? Here. C1. Where is our A2? Here. This and this you should multiply. Now check Q into this multiplication. Always take minus sign outside. Minus Q into P minus Q. Minus of. What is this value? C2 into A1. Here C2 is here and A1 is here. Then minus of P into P plus Q. Okay. Now we'll simplify this term. Y by P into Q minus PQ. Minus into minus plus Q square. Now first you multiply. Try to simplify this bracket. Then you worry about this minus sign. Always try to simplify the bracket term. This into this is minus P square. Minus P into Q is minus PQ. Now minus of minuses plus P square. Minus of minuses plus PQ. Plus PQ minus PQ get cancelled. Here the value is y is equal to Q square plus P square. Now we'll find the value for third part. Third part is 1 by. What's the value? 1 by A1 into B2. A1 is here, B2 is here. If you multiply, you will get minus P square. What is the next term? A2 into B1. Here it is A2, B1. If you multiply, Q square. The answer is minus Q square because in the formula we have minus. Now this can be written as 1 by P square plus Q square. See here 1 by minus P square plus Q square. Now you see there are three parts. Now equate these two parts alone to find the value of x. Okay, you can write it as x by minus P square plus Q square is equal to 1 by minus P square plus Q square. We'll do mind calculation. Take this fraction to numerator. Numerator, denominators are same. Simply we'll cancel and the answer will be x is equal to 1. You got the idea? You take this minus P square Q square to this place and cross multiplying. This term will go to this place. As numerator and denominator are same, just cancel it and write x is equal to 1. How will you find the value of y now? Compare these two fractions. Okay, compare these two fractions. You can write it as y by Q square plus P square is equal to 1 by P square plus Q square. Take this to numerator place. X is equal to P square plus Q square divided by minus P square plus Q square. Get cancelled. Answer is 1. The value of y is minus 1. Okay. Now we'll check our answer. We'll check these answers. Okay. Please listen. What is the value of x now? X is equal to 1. What's the value of y now? Y is equal to minus 1. Check here. X is equal to 1. What's our x value? 1. What is our y value? Minus 1. P into 1, P. Q into minus 1, minus 2. Therefore, our answer is correct. Please try to select this method, cross multiplication method, for the sums where the coefficient is an alphabet. Coefficients alphabet sums select panina, you will get the answer in an easy way. And remember, while doing the sum, do the sum very slowly so that you can avoid careless mistakes. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.